we are back in the shop. It's a Memorial Day weekend, and we did our topless Jeep weekend. I'm gonna show a quick video of that for our intro this week, and then we'll get after it. But yep, we're back on the Jeep. I'd much rather be working on the Lodestar, but we got priorities on the Jeep, as I'll show you. We are puking transmission fluid again. So my favorite thing to do is pull that transfer case and try to fix this 4L80 again. So we're gonna get working on that. I'll time lapse all this to save you all the, we're just unbolting it, gonna pull it apart, and then I'll get back onto showing you exactly what I need to fix again, and we'll take it from there. So thanks for watching. Custom.
Right here you can see where this is the leak that I gotta fix. That seal that's behind that snap ring, which none of my snap ring pliers will reach it, so I had to do a custom job. And this is the transfer case full of ATF and burnt too, so it says burnt. It's not too bad, but it's used and it smells like just awful. And here I got to transfer the case back on. I'm just trying to get it filled full of fluids. And that's a cross member before and after we painted it. Yes, I know. I put it in drive, and then I'm backing out. Yeah, I filmed that separately, so I'll get all bent out of shape.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Do-da, do-da. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da do-da day.
When you live in the country and don't have a dyno.
I was in the bathroom taking a shave, and I heard a screeching, between a screech and a whistle. I said, what in the world is this? Then my whole house shook.
All right, we got the Jeep back together. All the leaks are fixed, and so from here I went and drove a few miles, got the Jeep inspected, and seems no leaks. I'll show you where we don't have any leaks. So far so good. Old spots, but nothing's new. Jeep's running good, so we're getting ready for our vacation trip in a couple of weeks. So that'll be it for this video. I'll probably get 2 more out maybe next week, but I'll throw a couple of shorts on at the end of this video, some other stuff we did on other platforms. So thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm gonna leave this to the people that comment to make the decision. I've kind of got what I want to do, but now that all the kids are up and gone, and I've basically taken the back seat out of the back of the Scrambler. Our Jeep is a Scrambler, but my question is, do we take out the family bars off the back and turn it back into the Scrambler, or leave it the way it is? So I'll let y'all decide. I'll look at the comments and see what y'all come up with. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.
What did he say?
Nope.
Fuck. Oh my God. I want to tell somebody. No, it's okay. It's all right. This will be my moment.